Welcome to this tutorial on how to send payments using the Zelle mobile app. Zelle is a fast and easy way to send money directly from your bank account to someone else's bank account. To get started, you will need to download and install the Zelle app on your mobile device and enroll with your bank or credit union. First, open the Zelle app and select your bank or credit union from the list of participating financial institutions. You will then be prompted to enter your online banking username and password to verify your account. Once you have enrolled, you can start sending payments. To send a payment, tap the Send Money tab at the bottom of the screen and enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. You can also select a contact from your phone's address book. Next, enter the amount you want to send and add a memo or note to the payment if you want. Review the payment details to make sure everything is correct. Then tap Send. The payment will be sent directly to the recipient's bank account and will typically be available within minutes. You will receive a confirmation email or text message when the payment has been sent. It's also important to note that Zelle payments are secure and protected by your bank's or credit union's security measures. You should only send payments to people you know and trust, and never send payments to someone you don't know or who is asking for money in exchange for a prize or reward. In addition to sending payments, you can also use Zelle to request money from someone. To do this, tap the Request Money tab and enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. You can also select a contact from your phone's address book. Enter the amount you want to request and add a memo or note to the request if you want. Overall, using the Zelle mobile app to send payments is a fast and easy way to transfer money directly from your bank account to someone else's bank account. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can use Zelle with confidence and take advantage of the convenience and security it offers.